and this is the Versatyre MXT HD 36 1450 tires on this beautiful 2017 Ford F-150. I get a lot of questions in my DMs all the time, like, how are these tires? So let's talk about it. What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy J Ford. We are back with another video. So as I mentioned in the intro, we're gonna be talking about these Versatyres. So far it's been a year since I've had these tires, so I decided we'll do a quick 1 year review, since I do get a lot of questions about these tires all the time. People DM me, ask me, how are the tires, do they make a lot of road noise, do they wear pretty good, you know, stuff like that, etc, etc. So far I put about around 15,000 miles. Yeah, it was 15,000 miles on these tires so far. For those of you that don't know, this is not my daily driver, so but still 15,000 miles for a year, that is pretty good, even though it's not my daily driver. But I love driving this truck. Obviously you can tell if I put 15,000 miles on the tires in a year. As mentioned before, this is my 2017 Ford F-150. It is a Lariat. We got 24x14 TIS wheels on 36 1450 Versatyre MXT tires with an 8-inch FTS lift kit. Now I will note, you know what I'm saying, we got mud tires on a 2-wheel drive.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, make it make sense.
It's tripping.
I know a lot of people gonna say something. You got mud tires on a 2-wheel drive. You're not doing any off-roading. Man, it's all about the looks, guys. It's all about the looks, man. I don't care nothing about that off-road stuff, none of that. Most guys who got mud tires on their truck anyway, they're not even going off-road. They just throwing it on there because it looks aggressive. It's an aggressive look, and that's what these tires provide. And that's why I love these tires. These tires, man, they just look damn good. Like, and I haven't had a single issue with these tires as far as bouncing or have me down bouncing all over the road or anything like that. As you guys see, we got an aggressive sidewall right here. I do love this pattern and everything. Most important, the pattern of the tread on the tires. Like the V in the middle. When I first saw these tires, I was like, damn, that looks sick. I gotta have these tires. And you know, obviously I made it do what it do. I went ahead and got them. As you can see, man, they have been wearing pretty even. Like, I haven't, let me see, I don't know if you can tell like that, but like I say, for 15,000 miles, I still got a lot of tread on here, man. I have a lot of tread on here. I've been getting these tires rotated about around, I say anywhere from 5,000 to 7,000 miles, somewhere in there. Most people, they tell you to rotate the tires around 3,000. I just been doing around 5. My whole goal and plan was to try to make these tires run as long as about 30 to 40,000 miles. So far I'm at 15,000, so I'm halfway there. That's the main thing, guys. Keep your tires rotated. Like, I've only rotated mine about 3 times so far. So obviously with mud tires, you do know that they are loud. Obviously, if you want a quieter, if you want more of a quieter tire, you should go with a all-terrain, or not even an RT, because RT is gonna be a little bit loud too. These are my first set of mud tires, so I can't compare it to other tires or anything like that. Honestly, if you haven't noticed, these tires are like the hottest on the market right now. Everybody got them on their truck. So why not go ahead and add them to yours? When I first bought these tires, I bought these tires right at $14,000. This was before they were hot. Like, a lot of people were buying them, but at the time you didn't see how they are right now. Like, so many people have these tires, like, and they're that good. They damn good. Like, I love them. And apparently everybody else does too. But I believe right now they're a little above 2,000 for that size of a tire anyway, for the 36 1450 R24. So obviously, you know, with the more you wear the tires down, the louder they seem to get. Well, honestly, with these, like, I feel like they've been pretty consistent as far as the loudness of the tires. The road noise doesn't bother me as much. Let's go ahead and hop right in the truck real quick. Let's take a drive so you can actually hear the road noise. See, like right now I'm at about 30 miles per hour. You can hear it a little bit, but at certain times you actually hear the exhaust over the tires. But right now I'm just gonna be quiet so you guys can sit and listen. Like I said, right now I got the windows rolled up, so it's gonna reduce the road noise a little bit. And then later on I'm gonna let the windows down so you'll be able to hear it. Alright, we're gonna pick up a little bit more speed here. Going about 50 right now. I'm gonna roll up the windows real quick. Like, as you guys can see, like, I'm going about, right now my speedometer say 46, so really that's like 50. See, I take my hands off the steering wheel, it's not really pulling at all. Like, look at that. So these tires are actually really good. I always hear how people have trouble balancing their tires and everything, like a real crazy bumpy ride. With these Versatyre MXTs, I haven't had any issue with as far as balancing or anything yet. I haven't even balanced these tires since I first got them put on, so I will be rebalancing them whenever I get the next tire rotation, which is coming up pretty soon. The key to all this, guys, is taking care of your tires. Like, do the proper maintenance on them, rotate the tires as needed. Most importantly, make sure everything is aligned and everything. So, and don't go crazy with burnouts. Like I don't really do burnouts like that. I don't do them at all, to be honest. That one you just saw was probably the first time I actually did a burnout. And actually right now, for a whole set of these tires for the same exact size that I have, the 36 1450 R24, you can go to Rims One right now and get these for around $2,000 if they're in stock. I'm not sure if they're in stock or not. Hey Rims, I'm gonna need, if y'all ever see this video, I'm gonna need y'all to look your boy, because I've been low-key kind of plugging y'all in a lot of my videos. Need some kind of affiliate or something, 10% or something. I need something, like, help your boy out, man. Overall, do I believe these tires are worth it? Absolutely, yes. Like, these tires are great tires. Definitely buy these tires again. But yeah, man, that's all I have for you guys today, man. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to catch more future content. And also, if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified that I have a video that just went live. So man, without that being said, we're gonna leave here today with a little bit of words of encouragement. Great things never come from being in your comfort zone. So go out and do one of those things that you've always been thinking about doing. Just challenge yourself to do it. It could be anything, any type of goal that you have set. Just go out and attack it, man, full force. Don't worry about what people have to say. And if you fail, so what? The only thing that means is we gotta go back hard, get back up and try again. Life always begins with one step outside of your comfort zone. And remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so why not go ahead and give a shot? So that's gonna be all I have for you guys today, man, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.